This video is about the more sophisticated functions in Workflow2Go. The app is started, and you can see the menu button, switching or toggling between the scanning function and the other menu functions. You can start workflows as we've seen in video 2. At the very top you can see a menu bar with the ability to take notes on a workflow step, to take photos to document the working situation, approving the workflow or aborting it. When you press the pencil icon you can attach a note, and that note is being logged to the server for further use by analysts or yourself when you go to the server system. You can see the little green icon besides the pencil is indicating there's a note attached to this step in the workflow. You can also take a picture by clicking the camera icon. You press use photo and enter a description of the photo and press done. Then a link is added to that photo and you can see the green button besides the camera icon. Once ready, you can always press the check mark to leave a workflow. So here we commenced only one step out of 10, but that's okay with us. You don't have to feel guilty for not completing the other 9. The settings possibilities. When you click the little wheel in the corner beside your name, you can choose between a number of organizations that this device is added to, and you can choose between roles. Currently we have 2 roles in your demo system here. You can either be a nurse or a doctor. You can add other organizations from this screen. You need to know the organization code. You can click the roles and choose, for instance, doctor instead of nurse. And ultimately you can alter your name information, your email information. Good luck trying Workflow2Go out, and please contact us for further details.